New evidence filed before the Shanzu Law Courts on Thursday shows that Shakahola cult leader Paul Mackenzie is using letters to further instruct his followers in and outside prison to continue fasting until death. This comes after a letter containing his cultic teachings was discovered by investigating officers, raising concerns over the mechanism used by the main suspect to continue indoctrinating his followers while in remand. NTV's Coast Affairs reporter Kevin Mutai reports.
Shakahola cult leader Paul Mackenzie is now allegedly employing similar techniques used by St. Paul to reach out to his followers during his imprisonment in Rome, emphasizing on rules of food and drinks. Prison authorities at Chimolatewa have intercepted a letter dated 22nd July 2023, which detectives say discloses religious instructions of the deadly doctrine investigated in Shakahola. Part of the evidence filed in court reveals that, and I quote, "The contents of the correspondence provides religious instructions with preferred quotes of Yesu. The information provides the basis of fasting to death as the only way to be with Yesu, which means Christ." Investigators claim that the teachings have become consistent with most of the suspects in prison, with the author ready to accomplish their mission of fasting till death. Detectives also hold the opinion that the cult leader Paul Mackenzie is taking advantage of the open court proceedings to consistently pass the message to his followers.
I'm yet to peruse and respond to the ODPP application.
An application by the state seeking to detain all the respondents for 180 days was not heard Thursday, the court giving 7 days for the parties to be served with the probation report on social inquiry.
We have not been supplied with that report, although I am made to understand it was lodged in court.
We have 26 out of the 29 reports at the final stages of completion.
Shanzu Senior Principal Magistrate Yusuf Shikanda further directed that a report on the investigations conducted by the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights regarding complaints of mistreatment against Mackenzie and his associates be served to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions and the Attorney General.
Tarehe 19 mwezi huu kesi itatajwa kwa ajili ya kupokea hizo ripoti za kijamii pamoja na kutoa maagizo ya ziada kuhusiana na maombi yaliyoko mbele ya koti.
The state argued that the 6 months required to further detain the suspects will allow for time to conduct scientific analysis on the 429 bodies of men, women and children who perished in the Shakahola massacre. The time, according to the prosecution, will also give room for initiating proper criminal charges against the suspects. The court also directed that it is not necessary for the accused persons to appear in person next week during the next hearing. Kevin Mutai, NTV in Mombasa.